Hi, welcome to XPPen 6 Weeks Animator Incubation. In this lesson, I will talk about secondary action. Why is this helpful? What's the problem with animations that have no secondary action? Well, they can look not as interesting, okay? So animations with a secondary action are way more captivating and they look more fun to watch. For example, this character is scolding the secretary because the company just lost a lot of money. Let's pretend he's maybe the villain of the story. We know this character is angry because we see that in his face. But we could improve it. We can add even more personality to it. It's good that we're showing emotion, but it could be better. Here's how. If we show the same angry boss doing the same action of yelling at the secretary, but with a simple secondary action of pointing and showing some papers, then wow, this is so much interesting to watch. The audience would pay closer attention to this animation because the character has more personality and more expression. So not only does the secondary action help the animation be more captivating and fun to watch, but it also helps to show a lot of personality out of your characters. So if you have a character just talking, try to find ways to show more personality. Hand gestures can help to show the emotional state he's in. It helps to make the action more interesting to watch. For all these types of secondary behaviors and to get a wider range of options, you should learn about body language and things you can do to express different intentions from your characters. What you can do is you can check some free lessons from Sydney's course on body language for animation, or just search the web to get a lot of ideas. You can always add a secondary action to make things more interesting and more entertaining. So just remember, secondary action helps your animation be more fun to watch and also to show a lot of personality out of your character. Good. Now in the next lesson, we're going to apply this. See you there.